In this video, you'll learn how to switch languages in ElevenLabs. This guide will take you through each step of the process, ensuring you can easily navigate the interface to change the language settings. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to ElevenLabs.io. This is the official website where you can access all the features offered by ElevenLabs. Once you are on the home page, you will see various options available to you. Next, locate the login button, which is usually positioned at the top right corner of the screen. Click on this button to proceed. If you have an account, enter your credentials to sign in. If prompted, complete any additional authentication steps to gain access to your account. After successfully logging in, direct your attention to the main navigation menu, look for an option labeled Voices, and click on it. This section allows you to explore the different voice options available, including various languages. Once you're on the Voices section, you can either browse through the available voice options or use the search function to find a specific language. To do this, look for a search bar or a filter option that allows you to specify the desired language. Enter the language you want to switch to and review the results presented on the screen. After you have identified the voice that corresponds to your preferred language, click on the option that interests you. This will typically bring up more details about the voice. Look for a button that says Add to my voices and click on it. This action saves the voice to your personal library for future use. Once you click Add to my voices, a confirmation message should appear indicating that the voice has been successfully added. You may want to check your voice library to ensure that the new voice is now available. This step is essential in confirming that your language switch was successful and that you can access the newly added voice. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.